Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Xiaomi 17. So first, if you are on an active call, what you guys want to do first is check the volume using the side buttons on the right side. So as you guys can see now, I'm increasing the volume of the media, but here when you go over to the phone app, you can change the call volume. So make sure to max it all out. And after you max it out, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings, and in those settings, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off. It's very important because we don't want any other devices connected to our phone that will just steal our audio. We don't want it, so we want to make sure that Bluetooth is disabled. Next, you guys have this little line right here, and it may seem weird. It's a bit small and you cannot notice it for the first time, but it is our earpiece, and we want to clean it up with a soft brush. It's very important to clean that out because if it's stuffed, then that's why we may not be getting sound during calls. Now, what you guys want to do next is, after cleaning the earpiece with a soft brush, you go over and call up somebody again from the phone app, or if you want, you can try another app like WhatsApp or any other app that supports the call system. Next, simply restart the smartphone to refresh the entire system. You do that by pressing the power button and the volume up button, swipe down to reboot, and now the phone is rebooting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the reboot is done. After the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is simply check for software updates. So it might sound weird, but this might also be a software glitch, and yeah, you just go to About Phone in the settings, click on Xiaomi HyperOS, and it will check for updates automatically. I have no updates available, but if you do have an update, make sure to update it because it also might be an issue of the, let's say, old software version. And those glitches are fixed in the newest versions, so it's very important to update your software so you're not on the older version and you need to struggle with old glitches. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.